People often ask me, what's it like being a psychic medium? My answer is simple. Being a psychic medium is like being a life coach and a grief counselor, all rolled into one. People come to me for readings for a variety of reasons. But what I've found is that they want only two things: clarity and healing. My goal as a psychic medium is to provide my clients with the clarity, encouragement, and hope they need to not only heal their hearts from loss, but to also embrace their full potential, mentally, physically, and spiritually. And that's what brings me the most joy and satisfaction.
That you might like to share. She's giving you, it looks like a teacup or something. I know you said you don't drink tea, but she's giving you like a cup. It's like a old cup. She's giving it to you for some reason. Let me see why she's doing this. Somebody has my china. She just said somebody has my china and she would like you to have it.
Aunt Lou. Ask her if it's Aunt Lou.
She's giving you a thumbs up. Thumbs up on that one. She'd like you to have it. Okay. You know why? She says it meant a lot to her and she wants you to have it. And she says, I know that the way things turned out, that it didn't come to you, but she says she's going to try to make it happen to where you can receive that. You would treasure it more.
It's with her daughter, and who is my aunt, and who I am so grateful to be so close to, and who misses her mother, Mary, every day. And all of that is supposed to come to me. Because
okay, that's a major confirmation then too. She's showing me some things. This is interesting. Her treasures. She's showing me some of her treasures. It's like, do you own like a jewelry box of hers or something with that you keep some of her little treasures in? Because she's showing me these and she's just enamored with these things, these little treasures. Or did she have a special little box with things?
I have a little box that I have a lot of her jewelry. I wear her wedding ring a lot. I wear her turquoise jewelry a lot because that's my connection to her. But I also have a small little box that had all these little things of hers from when she was a baby.
I'm taking that as a confirmation and that's very specific evidence from her as well. And she's just, that's why she's so proud of this little box. She's so proud of it and she's glad it's not, and she just said this clear as day. I'm glad it's not in the garbage. Somebody's birthday. Okay, she's making reference and she showed me a chocolate cake. So a chocolate cake has to do with a celebration of some sort, like a birthday. So who around you is having a birthday or has just had a birthday?
Me, today.
Oh, happy birthday. That's just acknowledgement from her. She is saying to you, happy birthday. We're singing to you right now. They're actually really singing to you. Happy birthday to you. That's what your dad just said. He goes, you.
And I always had a chocolate cake.
Okay,
Always
that's
had a chocolate cake.
cool. I mean, that's a major confirmation here.
What amazes me with my work is the attention and detail that Spirit brings into my clients' readings. Each reading is unique, and each reading offers the client an opportunity to get the validations and confirmations they need to move through their grief. I think my greatest pleasure as a psychic medium is seeing the healing it can bring to people when they realize that their loved ones are still around them. And the comfort to know that ultimately, one day, we will all reunite with those we love across the veil.